we've designed our system with teachers in mind. That's why we're excited to introduce one of our newest features, ACARA Sync. ACARA Sync makes it simple to connect your catalogue items directly with the Australian curriculum codes, giving teachers a faster, smarter way to find the exact resources they need to create powerful lessons. With ACARA Sync, you can now search your collection by curriculum codes, curriculum year level, curriculum strands, and substrands. Simply head to the advanced search and choose one of our curriculum search options to find the resources you need. You can also reassign curriculum codes to items via the ACARA Sync tab in Catalogue. Simply head to Catalogue, search for an item, and select the ACARA Sync tab. In this tab, you can search for the curriculum code you want to add and select Assign. With ACARA Sync, your catalogue isn't just a collection of resources, it's your curriculum-aligned teaching toolkit. If you'd like to find more information, you can head to our FSI help articles located in the Support tab in the System menu. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas or suggestions about the content you'd like to see, please comment below or contact the support team.